Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use the Sekai app, and it's actually really simple. Sekai is an app where you can create and play mini apps or games using AI. You don't need coding skills at all. When you open the app, you'll see a feed filled with games and mini projects made by other users. You can tap any of them to play, check how they work, and see how popular they are. To create your own, just tap the plus button at the bottom. Now all you have to do is type your idea. For example, a small game, a quiz, or something interactive. The AI will turn that idea into a playable app in seconds. You can also add things like images, sound, or extra details, or even talk to the AI to improve your game. Once it's ready, you can preview it, publish it, and share it with others, just like posting on social media. That's basically it. Play, create, remix, and share, all inside Sekai. Thanks for watching. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.